Let's divide 138 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. Let's keep exploring the amazing world of numbers together. Alright, let's start dividing 138 by 2. First, we look at the first digit of 138, which is 1. We don't have any digits to bring down yet, so we'll work with the 1. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It fits 0 times. So we write 0 in our answer. 0 times 2 is 0. Now we subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. Great start, you're doing awesome. We've got a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next digit. Okay, we have a remainder of 1, and we bring down the next digit 3. Now we have 13. We've got 13 to work with. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 13. 2 fits into 13 6 times. That's 2x 6 equals 12. Let's check 6 times 2 equals 12. Perfect. Now subtract 12 from 13. What do we get? It's 1. You're getting so good at this. Keep it up. We have a remainder of 1. Time to bring down the last digit. Last step, we bring down the 8, and now we have 18. We're almost there. We need to figure out how many times 2 goes into 18. Think of your 2 times tables. 2 fits into 18 exactly 9 times. Wow. Let's multiply to be sure. 9 times 2 is 18. Exactly right. Subtract 18 from 18. That leaves us with 0. No remainder this time. You did it. That was fantastic. We've reached the end. The final answer is 69. Great job. We found that 138 divided by 2 is 69. Great job, everyone. We just conquered long division by dividing 138 by 2. Remember, even big numbers can be tackled one step at a time. That's all for today, Super Math Whizzes. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.